Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to reactivate a deleted Facebook account. Now it is an extremely easy process. So firstly what you do is just simply open your Facebook. Then I'm going to show you the exact process after I delete my own account, but there are some things that you have to keep in mind. You can only reactivate or get back your account if you have deleted your account and it is under 30 days. As you can see right over here, you can only get back those accounts that are under 30 days, and if it exceeds the 30-day limit, you will not be able to recover your Facebook account. Now, let me delete my own account first. So as you can see, I just deleted my account. Now, I'm going to show you how to get this back. So it's pretty simple. All you have to do is just simply restart the device. Or if you're opening it for the first time, open your Facebook. Now, just simply log in as you would normally do with your email address and password. Now, wait for a few seconds. And over here you will have an option, yes, continue to Facebook. And as you can see, the date is written when it is scheduled to be permanently deleted, and after this date is exceeded, I will not be able to get this back. Now the process works for both deactivation and deletion of your account. So if you have deactivated your account, you can still get back the account this way as well. So now all you have to do is click on yes, continue to Facebook, and your permanent deletion will be cancelled. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like subscribe to our channel and take care.